Hello and welcome back to Charcoal Pencil with Angelique. And this one I'm going to be drawing the North American cougar. It's in Canada as well. I have actually seen one time a very long time ago at night. It was fairly small. The colorings were the same as what I've seen online. But there's a difference between the North American cougar and the Mexican one. Now, the North American cougar is a subspecies, right? But it's considered the biggest cat in North America. It's smaller than the jaguar, right? But it's the second largest in the world. Still prevalent in west half of the continent, which would be mid Canada and on to the west side, and Central America, and as South America too. The Andes Mountains and Florida areas too, like the Florida Panthers population. It extends to that. The North American cougar has a solid tan colored coat with spots. Through the color can vary from buff to cinnamon brown. Juveniles may have a mid-flow of spotting. They weigh between 25 to 80 kilograms, the males, and the females weigh from 45 kilograms. So that's why I think I saw a female cougar. This was up north, close to Barrie area that I saw it, and it was late at night. Its eyes were really big and glowy when I was driving. So I know I saw a documentary where they were talking about the cougar, saying that it's not considered part of Ontario because it hasn't really established itself. I can understand that, but because there has been a lot of sightings of the cougars in this area, one day it probably will be, right? So sit back, enjoy. I am using my gum eraser on this, my smudge stick, and my medium charcoal pencil, my hard charcoal pencil to do this drawing. Now the cougar, the photo that I found is the cougar sitting on a rock, so I just included that in the photo. That in the drawing, but I didn't include the background. I just wanted to make it a little simple. I didn't have much time to draw it today. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes to complete this drawing. But if you have any comments, please list it below, and I will get back to you as soon as we get to the end of the video. So we're getting to the end of the drawing video. Right now I'm using a white charcoal pencil. The tip of it broke, so I'm using my mechanical pencil to use the tip, because when usually pencil starts breaking like that, that means it's been damaged from the inside. And I didn't want to waste it on something. So anyways, I really enjoyed drawing this cougar. She's very relaxed. She's enjoying her view of whatever she's looking at. She was very cute. I love cats. I have a couple of cats myself. So if you tried this drawing, please let me know. Like and subscribe. And if you have any comments on the music or the drawing or anything like that, please comment below. And happy drawing, and see you on the next one. Bye.